Oh, still, Mom, look inside here.
What's that big? Oh, there's a white one there. Cute.
There's no animal in here. Maybe it's a... Hey, look, it's...
The bunny.
Lawa lang sila, open lagi sila.
Parang sa una pa. Yung
Oh,
before kay open, lupad na sila na mabalik.
I'm going to say hi to the cat again. Wait, what are the cat's names?
They're there. Nasaan yung cage niya? Look at the bird. Baby, look at the bird.
There's so many birds.
That's all.
No, don't touch.
Okay, baby, what color you want?
What color?
What color you want? Huh? What?
What color?
They're playing seesaw.
Ma,
Hmm?
I don't want to play.
Oh, it's cute.
Look at him. Here. He's eating. He's eating only.
He's eating all of the food. Sleeping bunny. Daddy, when I was in my school playing sleeping bunnies, does a sleeping bunny means where you lay down on the ground and then whatever the bell rings, you have to hop.
Oh, really?
And you have to be quiet or else the fox will see you to
Oh,
go to sleep.
oh yeah. The fox will eat you, little man.
That's a
There's a
pig
black bunny.
bunny.
Yeah.
That's a pig bunny. He's almost finished. Are you touching his butt? Yeah, touch his
No,
butt.
no, do not touch them.
Look at the cat.
Who's fighting?
This is brown.
Huh? That's brown.
So cute.
That's brown. His name is Brown. Ma,
Huh?
his name is Brown.
Oh. No, look, the names are there.